Okay,
Thank you.
sure. Ziad, good morning.
Morning, Randani. How are you? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How's it going?
Not too bad, thanks. I think so far we've just had those introductions at this course. I think this
Yes.
is like my first proper lecture, but I think just to give you a bit of a background. So
Uh,
I finished SEMA years ago. I think like 2016, 2017 odd, and then
sure.
I got my degree like in 2003. So
Okay.
yeah, so this year it no, no
Yeah.
it gets more fun. So this year
Yeah.
I registered for the exam, the board 2 exam with IAS, and I started doing a couple of their assessments,
Mm,
and then I actually deregistered. I said, Listen, fundamentally this part 2 of this exam, it's not really as strategic as what you think from a SEMA perspective. It's actually
yes.
it's a technical exam
Yeah.
disguised in email format.
Yeah.
So I actually said I'm not setting myself up for failure.
Yeah.
And then I came across this course that says that, listen, you can get yourself bridged, because if fundamentally, not being in the industry, I mean, I haven't been in accounting for in my entire career since I graduated. I've been in all sorts of different things, but
Mm,
you have that, you have it in the back of your mind, what's
yeah.
happening. But it's just that I'm hoping that this course will just have that, fill in that gap in terms of a mindset more than the theory. But if you only have like 5 days and
Yeah.
something, and you need to learn IFRS what or agriculture or something, you can't do that in 5 days. You need to at least have some sort of mode in your life that you can actually
Mm.
just quickly go and learn. Yeah, so that is my fun story for why I'm here. Yeah.
Okay, okay, quite a memorable one. I'm sure we'll not forget that. But yeah, no, no, I think you're absolutely right. Eh? I think there's a little bit of misconception between this case study and the SEMA case study, because the SEMA case study, when you look at it, for someone who's been in business, who's been around, one can easily adapt, because it really takes business and makes it quite a lot of practical without going into the technical aspects.
Mhm.
But now here, you will need to reference your IFRS, you will need to look at your tax legislation. So they have very fundamentally different case studies, to be honest.
100%.
Yeah. So it's always good to be aware of such early on in the process, so that you really get to know that, yeah, this is what will help me to get to the end. Okay, I'm looking forward to that, to just really getting those fundamentals right, and getting, yeah. And I think for you, because you've seen now the glimpse of it, when you now go through the technical, you've got a point of reference of where you're going, which is always great.
100%. I mean, I think
Mm,
that's why I don't think it was a complete waste. I
mm,
learned so much. I mean, even in those couple of months, looking
yes.
through the psycho website, looking at those different type of questions and those exams that come through.
Yeah.
It's a whole different level of insight that I can apply accordingly when I listen to these lectures. Well, I hope.
All
Um,
right. I know,
yeah,
definitely. You're
yeah.
absolutely right there. Sure.
Awesome. Thanks.
Cool.
Thanks for the
No,
chat.
Anna, thanks to meet you. We'll talk more.
Awesome.
Jack, I see you also here. We spoke. I think, yeah, you're also part of the open day, right? And Jacob, yes. Good morning, gentlemen.
Morning, Rendani. How are you?
I'm well. I'm well. How are you?
I'm good, great. Thanks. Thank you.
Great, great, great. Um, so we're just doing some intro. Maybe you can just share in terms of where you work, and maybe the, what do you call it? The the year you qualified, if you don't mind, and yeah, and what you do, just on a high level, maybe to get to know each other. It's usually a very nice smaller group, so it will be good to get to know each other. And one of the things that it's always key, just finding others in the space that are doing the same thing, can really be quite helpful, as well as even next year when you start forming groups. So yeah. Right. If you may just everyone maybe across and just to get to quickly know each other before we kick off. Ziad, thank you for breaking the ice for us. Where do we start? Who wants to go? Who wants to go next?
I can be next, Rendani. I graduated in 2010. I currently work for Standard Bank Corporate Investment Banking in fund accounting. I
Okay.
completed CIMA in 2023. Then, yeah, I wrote my strategic case study in August of 2023 and submitted my pay. I was admitted in last year in 2024.
Okay. All right. No, thanks so much for that. Kanye Sam, Standard Bank CIB. All right.
Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Anyone keen to go next?
Hi, Rendani.
Hi, Cindy.
How are you?
Good.
We
Good to
meet
chat
again.
again. Yes.
Hi, everyone. My name is Sandy. I am a senior accountant, project services with Deloitte Consulting, and I completed CIMA back in 2021. So, back to that point about the case study being completely new, it's a rude shock, Rendani. When you think that you can do it because it's a case study, and then you go and you see all the technical material behind it, it's like, oh God, please save me. And Namu calls. So that was the answer.
All right, that's good. That's good. I'm sure Ziad will concur with that. All right, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Cindy.
Pleasure's mine. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone who wants to jump next? No one. Okay.
Hi, Rendani.
Mr. Jacob, yes.
Yeah, good, thanks. Yeah, I also graduated in 2014 and completed a CIMA just this year. I'm a finance officer in an NGO in Harare.
Okay. All right. Okay. All good. Thank you so much for that, Jacob.
Hi, Rendani.
Darlington, morning.
Morning, everyone. My name is Darlington. I'm a finance officer for National Employment Council for a parastatal in Zimbabwe, and I graduated 2 years ago with an honors degree in accounting, and then I finished in this year.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay. All right. No. Nice to have you and to formally meet you, Darlington. Thank you. So you said NPC, National Planning Council or Commission.
Sorry, it's National Employment Council.
Or employment. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
for a parastatal. So what we do is we manage the affairs of the employer and the employee so that the industrial relations are okay, and I manage their accounting or their finance side. So I'm the finance officer there as well as administration. Thank you.
Is it like our CCMA? I'm not sure whether you know our CCMA, which is Council for Arbitration, Mediation, and what CC? What's the other C for? But yeah, so mediation and arbitration for employer and employee relations. Is it something like that?
I presume so, yes.
Okay. All right. Sure. All right. No, thank you. Thank you to meet you. Who do we have? Jack, if you were, please.
Hi, Renani. I'll go first.
Sure.
It's Iviwe Mgini. I'm based in Cape Town.
Sure.
I'm the finance manager.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I had finance, IT, and the administration departments.
Oh.
They all fall under me. So I completed my CIMA in 2021.
Mm-hmm.
I had been a finance manager for a very long time. It's just
Mm.
that now in the new company, there's IT and there's administration under me.
Okay.
So I work for Table Bay Cold Storage. We are a full subsidiary of Botswana Meat Commission. So basically, I work for the Botswana government.
Oh.
Yeah. So, um, the reason for me
Mm-hmm.
taking this course is that a friend of mine, Thelma, whom
Mm-hmm.
we did SEMA together.
Mm.
She's from Joburg.
Mm.
She was with Endunamu, I think last year,
Okay, sure.
because we had been talking about transitioning.
Yeah.
Because like at work,
Mm.
CFO sits in Botswana, and
Oh,
here I'm with the general manager. So
okay.
literally, I
Ah.
have no one to review my work, if I can call it like that.
Mm.
So comes audit,
Yes.
I'll do the audit and fine. Like I literally have to make sure that I'm up to date with everything, IFRS, whatever, because there is
Sure.
no one that will going to review my work until it goes to the auditors. You get what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
So and what makes it work is that what makes it worse is that now our CEO's tenure ended, and then our CFO has been acting. So now she literally doesn't have
Yeah.
any time for anyone else. So I thought, okay, you know what?
Mm.
Um, let me get up my technical part.
Mm.
And like this is the time now, as much as I'm so lazy to
Why
do
you
it. I'm
lazy?
extremely lazy. Um, but
Okay.
yeah, I feel that it is what I need in my career at this point.
Okay. I hope the energy picks up.
I hope so too.
Yeah, sure. But no, thanks. So are you from Botswana yourself or
No,
you're
no, no, I'm
from?
South African.
Okay, okay. All
But I do
right.
go to Botswana once in a while when we have board meetings and things like that, or
Okay.
when there are important meetings to attend or
Okay.
projects. Yeah, but I'm South African.
Okay. And then you said you've been in this company for how long now?
This is my 4th year.
Oh, your fourth year. Also, they just
Yeah.
had a restructuring, you said.
Sorry.
You said they just had a restructuring now with all this function falling under you. Or has it always been the case?
Yeah, they had a restructuring before I came.
Okay. All right.
The thing is, because we are a full subsidiary of Botswana
Yeah.
Meat Commission, a lot of other functions where we outsourced them from, not really
Mm,
outsourced, but we got them from Botswana. Like IT was centralized in Botswana, but
okay.
now we could see more and more and more challenges. You know what I mean?
Mm,
So then okay, fine. We thought, okay, well, the board thought, okay, fine. We are not a very big company. I think we have a staff complement of 40.
okay.
BMC on the other side, they're very big. Um, BMC being the Botswana Meat Commission. So then what happened is that, okay, fine, we had to get IT people. And then the board made a decision that because initially when IT was under BMC, the ops manager was sort of caretaking, but it wasn't really working. Then the
Mm,
board ruled that because I'm chartered, then it makes more sense than IT would fall under me.
okay.
And yeah, but obviously we still have the head of IT in Botswana. It's just that the daily runnings of our business this side.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
No, sure. All right. No, thank you for that. Thank you all for that. So, yeah, no. So, welcome from my side. And I think, yeah, as you said, there's several expectations when it comes to this course. And for me, it's always quite important for us to start here, just to align, just to really have a big picture in terms of where this is going, and also how best to really benefit from the course. So the first session, if you're able to join, you will have met the support team. So at any point, if you need anything, they are there for you. They are here to just make sure that you are able to focus on your studies. I think one of the things that we recognize quite a lot is the people at this level are already working, they're already in most cases senior, and we would like to just ensure everything runs smoothly. So if you need any of the support, the likes of Vanessa, Ndamu, Peter are really them to just make sure you solve it for you. If there's anything technical, the lecturers that you're going to meet in the next couple of sessions, accounting, this Kani, audit, this Onati, tax, this Tina, as well as Tapazwa, and then MEF, there is Manda. So those are the key individuals that will then really help you. So if you feel stuck, please don't feel that you are bothering them. So you can arrange consultations with them one-on-one and just say, sure, we just went through this, this is where I am, this is my journey, how should I be approaching this, how should I do this? So they are there for you. So please don't feel that you'll be burdening them. They really love it when you engage. They really love it when you progress. So that is the ultimate thing here. We really want you to build the technical knowledge that is required, and also really have the confidence to apply it, not just in the program, but also outside the program as well. Because the idea is that now that you will have these two dual qualifications, there might be some other opportunities that may be eyeing. But if you really don't see this as simply a path to an exam, but really an opportunity to enhance some of those technical skills, those opportunities then get to open up much more easily for you. Then from a management perspective, there's Ere. So Ere is the one that if there's anything admin support wise that you're not happy with, she's the person that you can escalate to. If there's anything that you're not happy with academically, content wise, the pace, anything that is technically related to the content, then that's where I come in. So I'm the one who then deals closely with those lecturers that is mentioned. We discuss strategy together, we share feedback. So if there's anything that is not working there for you, then if you need to escalate, then the best person will be myself. And if there's any admin issues or online issue that you are not happy with and you need to escalate, everyone will then be the best person to do that. So that's on a high level, the structure, because I think for me, it's always quite important for you to just have sight of that before we kick off, and then before we do it, before we then focus on the key content. So I'm just going to share my screen, and then we'll kick off. So recording team, if you can start a new recording from here, please.